Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to send a video as a document in WhatsApp. First of all, open Photos. Click on any image or video. Then, click on its share icon. Scroll down in the share icon. Click on the Save to Files option. Select the folder where you want to keep it. Then click to save it. Now open WhatsApp. Open any chat. Click on the plus sign. Then from here, click on Document. Select the video we saved in File. Then send the video. Here you can see the video is sent in a document. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.